The great gray Shire Hitch, rare, majestic, beautiful. Poetry in motion. We're going to take a look at how this incomparable 8-horse hitch of these magnificent animals was put together and find out how one man's dream has become a reality. The English Shire, the largest yet the most docile of all horses, is a genuinely rare breed. It has a history that dates back to the mythical era of Camelot, when knights would ride this war horse into battle. The massive size and strength of the Shire was needed to support a knight wearing his full suit of armor and weighing over 400 pounds. For years after the age of chivalry, the Shire pulled the plow through fields, hauled goods from harbors to cities, and giant logs from forests to sawmills. Following the development of mechanized vehicles, the entire Shire breed had been virtually exterminated in the United States. Fortunately, in England, the Shire had been lovingly preserved by a few good men. To put together such a unique hitch was the dream of Tom Smrt. Tom has dedicated himself to reviving the Shire population in America. Being an endangered species with only 2,500 shires in existence, Tom soon found that the grays were the rarest, numbering less than 200 in the entire world. With such a limited number of potential candidates for the hitch, the search throughout North America and Europe began. It took 4 long years before over 300 shires from all over the world had been assembled at Fox Valley Draft Horse Farms in Marengo, Illinois. Out of the 300, 50 are the rarest of them all, the grays. There were many dedicated, skilled people involved in the assembly and training of the great gray Shire Hitch. This hitch is the only one of its kind in North America, and one of only 2 gray English Shire hitches throughout the entire world. Let's take a closer look at the assembly and training of the great gray Shire Hitch. We spoke with one of the trainers of the great gray Shire Hitch.
Breaking these horses, I always start out with teams, always drive them in teams. Even your lead team and swing teams, I want them to think I'm sitting right behind them at all times. That way they don't get lazy on me or have a chance to loaf. I like short names, like one-syllable names, preferably Bill, Cass, Fox, names like that are real short and the horse can recognize his name real quick. Yeah, along with the short one-syllable names, we use simple commands like whoa for stop and G for right and ha for left when we want to swing them, and then, of course, back.
The completion of the hitch is not the finish of Tom Smirt's dream. It is just the beginning by creating a renewed public interest in the English Shire horse. Fox Valley Draft Horse Farms is delighted to bring you the Great Gray Shire Hitch.